So hindi umubra itong batas na sinasabi ni Jinky Luistro na ang impeachment ay hindi saklaw ng confidentiality of bank deposits. Sa makatwid daw, ang paglabas ng AMLAC records ay legal daw at kinakailangan daw para sa transparency at katotohanan. Pero heto no, basahin natin ang Republic Act number 1405, an act prohibiting disclosure of or inquiry into deposits with any banking institution and providing penalty therefore. Under Section 2, all deposits of whatever nature with banks or banking institutions in the Philippines, including investments in bonds issued by the government of the Philippines, its political subdivisions, and its instrumentalities are hereby considered as of an absolutely confidential nature and may not be examined, inquired, or looked into by any person, government official, bureau, or office, except upon written permission of the depositor, or in cases of impeachment, or upon order of a competent court in cases of bribery or dereliction of duty of public officials, or in cases where the money deposited or invested is the subject matter of the litigation. So kung mapapansin ninyo naka-highlight dito yung in cases of impeachment. Pero ito nga hindi nila maintindihan. There is no impeachment yet. Wala pa namang impeachment. Kumbaga they are still initiating. Hindi pa naman nag-uumpisa ang impeachment, di ba? Lalong-lalo na hindi naman impeachment court. Itong Committee on Justice. Saan ba? Nasaan ba ang tamang venue na sinasabing impeachment court? Sa Senado lang yun. So ayon naman sa ating mahiwagang Google, ang sabi dito sa highlight, impeachment exception limits. While bank secrecy laws do not apply in cases of impeachment, this exception is generally intended for the Senate acting as an impeachment court, not for investigations at the House Committee level. Ito pa, based on the 1955 Philippine Bank Secrecy Law, Republic Act 1405, bank deposits are generally confidential, but an exception is made in cases of impeachment. During the initiation of impeachment proceedings, the House of Representatives, specifically the Committee on Justice, has the authority to initiate the examination of the bank records, but the Senate holds the stronger final authority to order disclosures once it sits as an impeachment court. So maliwanag, maliwanag pa sa sikat ng araw. Doon talaga ang bagsak sa Senado. Kapag pinag-uusapan natin ay impeachment court, doon lamang sa Senate trial maaaring i-disclose ang mga bank records ng mag-asawang Duterte. Kaya't kung sakaling umusad ang kaso ni Attorney Man Scarpio na kasong kriminal dito, kina Luistro, Sendanya, Attorney Shell Jokno, Leila de Lima, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas at AMLAC, abay 8 taon. Ang inyong gugugulin sa kulungan. At dito sa legal counsel ni Attorney Man Scarpio, kung saan na-interview ito ng media. Dito niya ipinaliwanag na talagang matatamaan sila ng violation na ayon sa Republic Act 11521 o ang AMLAC Act ng 2021. Itong batas na ito hindi nila in-apply ng mga kongresista, which is ang AMLAC at ang official neto ay dapat itinago o dapat panatilihing confidential ang mga impormasyon ng mga bank records ng mag-asawang Duterte at hindi ito dapat i-disclose in any manner. Ito ang pagkakamali ni Luistro at ang kanyang kasamahan sa Kongreso. Panoorin natin ang video.
But the other side is propounding a different argument using a different law. They're citing RA 1405, Section 2. And I'll try to summarize it a bit. All deposits of whatever nature with banks or banking institutions are are hereby considered as absolutely confidential in nature and may not be examined, inquired, or looked into, and moving forward, except upon written permission of the depositor or in cases of impeachment or upon order of a competent court. So they're citing Section 2 of an earlier law.
Well, as I said, no? As you said, RA 1405 is a different law
Yes.
from RA 9160
Totoo.
and 11521. No?
Namyandahan na yan.
RA 1405, in my opinion, applies to banks. Okay,
Mhm.
banks in general. If you want information and you want that the banks themselves reveal those information, then there are exceptions in that law, RA 1405 that you said, no? Consent, impeachment, okay? But the Committee on Justice did not ask the information from the banks. They asked the information from the AMLAC. So what law will govern them? Because they asked it from the AMLAC, not the banks. It's not the RA 1405. It doesn't apply to AMLAC. So it is the RA 9160 that should apply because that is the law governing AMLAC. Okay?
Tama.
And that law is restrictive. There is no exception, and the prohibition on AMLAC to reveal information is absolute.
Yes.
And the reason for that is that the AMLAC handles thousands, millions of information from several banks a day. That's why they treat it as sensitive, confidential information, because you have with you the power of freezing accounts, the power to inquire in bank inquiry orders, and the law provides limitations on that powers of the AMLC. And one of its limitations is you cannot divulge any
Yun.
information to anybody because this information are supposed to be confidential to help the AMLAC in their investigation of money laundering offenses. Kaya nga po AMLA siya, Anti-Money Laundering Council. They are limited to investigating money laundering offenses using the information and transactions reported by the banks. So that is the limited authority of AMLAC in investigating money laundering offense. That's why the law provide a limitation that you cannot divulge information revealed by the banks and transmitted to the AMLAC for purposes solely for investigating money laundering offenses.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir, if
that
I may-
is the limitation.
So malinaw, mali ang reference na ginamit ng mga kongresista na ito pagdating sa bank records ng mag-asawang Duterte sa AMLAC. Tama talaga si Tatay Digong noon nung siya yung naisalang sa committee hearing ang sabi niya noon, kung inyong natatandaan, you cannot divulge even peso, otherwise kulong kayong lahat. Totoo pala talaga. Yung sinabi ni dating Pangulong Duterte, talagang napakatalas pa rin ang pag-iisip sa ganong edad. So ano mangyayari nito? Mukhang madadagdagan ng utang ni Luistro kay VP Sara. At sigurado kapag umusad ang kaso na ito ni Attorney Manscarpio, ay makukulong ulit si Leila de Lima. Ay sa kakatwist nila Luistro, nila de Lima, Sendanya, Jokno, sa kakatwist nila ng ating batas. May kalalagyan talaga sila. Maganda rin talaga na sinasalag itong mga ginagawa ng Committee on Justice para natututo tayo. At hindi lang tayo, buong Pilipino, buong sambayan ng Pilipino patungkol sa mga batas-batas na ito. At kahit i-apply natin itong Republic Act 1405 na nakalagay doon, which is in case of impeachment. Ay ang tanong, may ginagawa na bang impeachment? Hindi ba wala pa? Anong ginagawa ng Committee on Justice? Initiation pa lang, sila yung nag-i-initiate. So hindi sila impeachment court. Again ang sabi doon sa Republic Act 1405, in case of impeachment. Impeachment court ba ang House of Representatives? Hindi. Ay sigurado ako sa opinion ko kapag natuloy itong mga kagaguhan ng mga kongresista na ito. Asahan na natin bababa ang tiwala ng mga depositors sa mga bangko. Kasi ngayon pa lamang pinapakita na ng mga kongresista na ito na wala palang secrecy sa mga bank accounts. Ay ano man ang oras na gusto nilang buksan ang account ni Numan, di ba Vice President na nga yun, di ba? Tayo pa kayong mga ordinaryong Pilipino, kung gugustuhin nila anumang oras na buksan ang ating bank accounts, ay pwede nilang gawin. So mawawalan na ng tiwala ang mga depositors na mag-deposit sa mga bangko dahil sa mga pabibo na kongresista na ito. So kapag umusad ang kaso na ito ni Attorney Man Scarpio, kahit saan naman nating tingnan, talagang lulusot ang kaso na ito at uusad. Kapag babasehan natin yung ating batas, tagilid talaga sila dito. Ewan ko ba kung totoo ba silang mga abogado, abogada? So sa inyo bang palagay, uusad ang kaso ni Attorney Man Scarpio laban sa mga buwayang kongresista na ito? At kung pag-uusapan natin ng batas, sino ang mas matalino? Ang kampo ni Attorney Man Scarpio o ang kampo ni Jinky Luistro? Abay, ishare mo na ang video na ito. Mag-iwan ng comment at like dyan sa ibaba at magkita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod na video.